Then we'll grab that Dimmy Dean. Hey guys, I'm Blackstone Betty. Welcome to Family Style. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a go-to family style favorite. It's breakfast pizza with our brand friend Jimmy Dean sausage. I know you're going to love it, so take it and make it. Let me show you how. All right, let's rock and roll. We've got a white onion. We'll chop this nice and small along with a red bell pepper. I love these baby bell peppers that they're just my favorite thing to use because we don't need too much. We've got some chives. We'll also chop up nice and small, and that is our prep for this. Now it's time to get our Jimmy Dean sausage onto the griddle. We're going on medium heat. We'll give this a chop, let that hang out, do its thing. Alongside that, we'll drizzle down a little bit of olive oil and drop our veggies down. Give them a toss, let them just hang out. We're cooking this slowly so that everything stays nice and tender. We'll season our Jimmy Dean sausage up with our sweet maple seasoning from Blackstone, along with our spicy brown sugar. Give that another toss, and then we can slide everything aside and get to our eggs. We'll get these cracked into a large mixing bowl with a little splash of milk. Season them with our sweet maple seasoning and our spicy brown sugar seasoning. Whisk that all together. Swirl that butter down onto your griddle on low heat, and then drop your eggs down. Using my favorite tool, the Blackstone scraper, I just love this thing. Gently slide your eggs around, and then to that, we're gonna add some sharp American cheese. This cheese makes these eggs so creamy. We're not gonna let these cook for too long. I want them to be undercooked and finish on our pizza, so we'll slide them aside. Grab our store-bought pizza crust. We'll put them top side down first into a little oil, then give them a flip, and now it's time to get these pizzas piled high. Our eggs are so cheesy with our shredded cheddar cheese and mozzarella blend. Then we'll grab that Dimmy Dean. Then we'll grab that Jimmy Dean sausage and pile it high onto our pizza. Sprinkle those peppers and onions and let this hang out for a few minutes. You could use a dome at this point to really heat things through, but this one is ready to get pulled off, plate it up. I'm gonna go over the top with a drizzle of hot honey, or you could use maple syrup. Either one is delicious. Those chives, finish that off with a post-dust of our seasonings, both the sweet maple and spicy brown sugar. And now it's time to cut into this. Are you ready for this, Ethan?
Oh yeah.
I'm so excited for this. It's cold. This is the perfect thing to warm us up. Another family style favorite. Can you smell that sausage and all those seasonings?
I cannot wait for you to be done talking so I can.
Well, a bite for me. You can have one. You guys have to make this at home. Pick yourself up some Jimmy Dean sausage and get creative with what seasoning you want to add to yours, or pick up one of their flavored sausages and make a breakfast pizza. From my home to yours, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to see you for another family style favorite in my next video.